Jessica Blaylock. Hi, Jess.
Hey, Rich, there are a lot of good reasons to vote Bour in as the last representative for the National League in the All-Star game. But how about this one? He's being endorsed by former professional wrestler Ric Flair. Flair sent out this tweet that said, talk about all-star worthy. Bour deserves to make it. He certainly does. So be sure to go to marlins.com/vote to show Bour some love. And don't forget to use that hashtag #VoteBour on your tweets and emails today.
He's been popular on social media, hasn't he? And Jess, I think his personality, the video of him in the disco, standing on his head in the dance floor, all the donut stuff, the funny T-shirts he wears, and you could tell, Jess, right when you guys were talking to him, all the teammates that were in and around him while he was trying to do the interview.
No question that his teammates love him. We were talking to Martin Prado about Bour yesterday, and one of the first things that he said, he didn't even mention his numbers. He said that Justin Bour is a funny guy. But yeah, all of his teammates love him. We know from interacting with him, he's got such a great personality. So vote Bour. He's got a great sense of humor. He's got the numbers. He's got the support of his teammates. Lots of good reasons to vote for Justin Bour.
That was on Christian Yelich's account. The Bour on his head. He does that oftentimes during stretching just to loosen everybody up.
That's how he loosens up.
It is. Two balls, two strikes. And Bour fouls that one back. I think what makes this special for Bour and his teammates and people around him is this is a guy that has not been entitled on his way to the big leagues. He was stuck in the Cubs organization, put up big numbers, wasn't getting promoted. And the Marlins drafted him in the Rule 5 draft, the minor league version of the Rule 5 draft. And so he came over to the Marlins organization, had to prove that he was a guy that could get to the big leagues. Excuse me, the Cubs. Yeah, he was stuck in the Cubs system. Right. Marlins drafted him in the Rule 5 draft. 3-2. And Bour on his way down to first, but he walks. Miami's had base runners to lead off the inning in 4 of the 5 innings.